your experience in cyber security innovation and research contest?
It's very interesting. All the students are coming out with very innovative ideas and all are very enthusiastic to get prize.
There are a lot of new ideas that you can read from the student communities. Most of the problems, though, they seem to be very old. These people are enthusiastic, so much energetic in approaching the problem, and that is infectious. Right? We just go and approach. Even we are inspired. How could they pop out with so many solutions and find out the vulnerabilities? So good.
Like, how was the environment? Like other students of other campus came over here, they were sharing their ideas. Like, did you feel any difference that our campus students are like, everyone is like together?
Yeah,
Like, how was the environment?
Yeah, of course, all the students are like that, but slightly there is a difference between VIT students and other students.
Yeah.
I felt.
But this is a good opportunity for you to assess yourself with your peer students in other colleges. Right? It's a good.
So like there was might be you might have a little expectation before coming here that contest would be like this. If a lot of people are going to come, so did it reach your expectation that about the contest?
No, I don't have any idea about like what is going on here. I have no idea about that. But after coming here, it's a very good concept. Like after coming here, the students are coming out with problems and they're trying to find out some solutions for that and getting some help from the mentors.
From SRM, then Anna University, Rajalakshmi. It could have been still more from other places also, not necessarily in Chennai.
Would you like to give any suggestions so that we can make this contest like even better, or we can do anything regarding this?
Overall, it's good.
If some more teams are there, it's I think more. Now it is 10 or 10 teams.
One
Right?
another-
It's 10 teams.
10 teams.
One another, what can happen is just like OWASP or some other communities where they are posting some security issues. You will generally post some really pressing issues because you could see some students they are not able to fix up the problems. They are coming out with problems which are conventional, like intrusion detection, encryption, and all. Some teams are very vague and say they are not. They have gray things about. They are wandering. Right? They have so many options. So better what could be done is we give some 16 or 20 problems which are really pressing at this moment. We were expecting more from mobile application perspective. There was only one thing or two, couple of things from mobile application security, but generally mobile security. So that could be done if it is possible, or if this style is okay. It's okay.
Thank you for the feedback.
Sure. Thank you.
Experience in the cyber security innovation and research contest.
It was wonderful. This is one of the excellent contests which is sponsored by US Consulate General Chennai and executed by Learning Links Foundation. VIT Chennai is happy in hosting this contest for improving the cybersecurity innovations and research.
Okay, so how did you feel? Like there are a lot of contestants coming from out. So like how did you feel guiding them?
It's really great. All those who are coming in have their predefined ideas. They worked it on their ideas. Many students have implementations also. So it's nice to see a set of students who are coming well prepared for the contest with their ideas, and the mentors are also guiding extremely good. So with the guidance of the mentors, the contestants are able to shape up their ideas and build a wonderful framework.
Do you think there is something more required in this contest? Like you can organize, do something more than what is done today?
Yeah, of course. We have the contestants who are coming with the ideas and mentors who are shaping their ideas. It would be better if the contestants are giving some more platform for testing their implementation which they are going to develop or which they have developed already. Okay. One of the major disadvantages with respect to security field is that we are not having a platform to test our implementations. So if the implementations are provided by Learning Links Foundations as a test bed kind of thing, then it would add much more value, because in a normal scenario I will not be able to test my implementations. I cannot execute an attack and say that I am detecting this and preventing this. So for testing my implementations and to substantiate my results, it would be better Learning Links Foundation is providing a test bed to test our implementations.
So would you say last few words, like your final feedback?
Yeah. So already there are some standard test beds like DITA test bed and Australian University's QUT test beds, wherein the participants can start implementing their solutions in their test bed and test their solutions for confidentiality, integrity or availability. So I request the participants to use these existing test beds to test their implementations related to security.
Thank you so much, ma'am, for your
Thank you.
feedback. So how was your experience for the contest today?
Okay, so first of all, let me introduce myself. My name is Prashant Bhardwaj. I am a second year BTech CSE student. And this contest itself was very great. I mean, from the morning itself, we were sitting here, we were developing things, we were testing things. We have already developed many things, and the people, the environment here was really great. And seeing all those people, like mind, it was a really great experience.
So there were a lot of mentors over here
Yeah.
trying to help you. So like, was it so useful?
Yeah, it was really great meeting all those mentors from different fields. I met the security personnel, I met the web developers. I personally am a web developer, so meeting such professional web developers was really a great experience for me. I also have came to know about many glitches which I may do, so they told me how to prevent them. So it was really great meeting them, and it was a great technical experience also.
There were a lot of students out of EIT.
Yeah.
So do you think they would give you a tough competition?
Well, seeing to that, what I consider is doing my part best and then leaving it to the rest. So let us see what happens. But yeah, people were there and looking up to them. It seemed that yeah, we may have a good competition.
Fine, I'm Soumya from EIT University studying MS Software Engineering, 4th year.
What else? So how was your contest today?
US consultancy contest, it's completely informative, and I thought I wouldn't learn anything, but after coming here I just learned even the basics. It got so well into my mind, practical knowledge and the ideas coming from other people, teams. It was so informative.
So we had a lot of mentors around going here.
Yeah, about 9 mentors. The first and last impression was the best for our team. They were so impressed actually. When the first mentor came, we were presenting in a different way. But when the early mentors came, we were so used to present our ideas, and everybody was so impressed about the project.
So what was the best part of the contest today?
Best part of the contest was actually again the mentors giving their suggestions. We got nearly 7 to 8 suggestions, which is has to be included in our project. So I think that's so valuable for us to take our project to the next level.
Okay. So like, do you think like you have a lot of competition today because there were students out
From the colleges,
Yeah.
like I saw, everyone is so equally competitive. Let's see, the presentations are going to happen from 5:15, right? So everybody will present their own ideas, and we'll know where we stand actually. So I think that's the best part. We think only we know about networking, cyber security, because our KIT University provides more exposure to us practically and theoretically. I think we have a check there when other teams are going to present.
So what will be your final suggestion about this contest? Like, anything you can say, like which you felt was missing today?
Missing? Oh, fine. Missing was nothing. I just don't know. I think hands-on practice was missing, because morning session we had completely lectures and all. We were not able to concentrate on our ideas or implementing it actually. We had ideas for the past 2 days. We were discussing with our team. We had ideas, but the implementation part, we thought we'll come here, get suggestions like this and implement. So the next hackathon can get better by reducing the time of the lectures and giving more time for us to implement actually. I think that's better. And best part was the lunch and all. It was so nice, and you people guiding the mentor. Even management team did a great job.
Thank you so much.
Oh,
Tell me about yourself.
I'm Aditya Deswal. I'm from SRM University, currently studying in the third year CSE department.
Okay. So how was your experience during the contest?
It was great. This was my first such conference or an innovation research service. It was mind-blowing. The faculty, the professors that we got, and the teachers, they loved it. And extremely helpful with the feedback.
So like there were a lot of mentors here and there, like from
From
very
other
different.
different centers and different companies that are coming in and advice.
Yes. So how are they?
Extremely knowledgeable, and they are really straightforward and helping. I went to them quite a few times during the breaks, and they seem to be quite helpful.
So how was our VIT Chennai environment?
Yeah, you could say that. You could say it's very friendly. Yes, it's very receptive. It gives a good aura. Yeah,
And what you find anything different between your campus and VIT Chennai?
I got to say with my own camp. Okay. So.
What was your best part of today?
The presentation was pretty good, but the interaction that was provided by the professionals, coming all 9 of them who are, coming and reviewing a project and giving such helpful feedback, that was absolutely great. Giving positive feedback about the project just set me in such an optimism.
So would you give any suggestions, final suggestions to us?
I don't see how this could be improved any further, seeing as how great it is already, but nothing can cross my mind for this.
Thank you so much.
Sure.
So how was your experience in this contest?
Yeah, the experience was really good. Before coming into this competition, we really didn't have a great idea as in what cybersecurity is. We just thought cybersecurity itself means it's a bad thing. It was a bad word before I got in here. But after coming in here, I realized that cybersecurity itself doesn't mean that it's a bad thing. It also has a good side on it, and there is a lot of opportunity that's coming up in the future if you excel in this.
Okay, so how was the VIT Chennai atmosphere over here?
Yeah, it was really good. The organizers were very friendly. They helped us with whatever we asked for, and it was a really good experience over there.
There were a lot of mentors here and there. They were from different fields. They were suggesting you. So, what do you think of them?
No, it was very useful. We just started with a small point. We didn't know how to take it further, and every mentor who came to us and who spent their time added a new point, and only with their guidance we've come to a conclusion as in how we should take it to the next level. So every mentor who came really gave a very good input, and it was very useful.
So, what is your best part of this contest today?
According to me, the best part was the mentor sessions that we had, because we realized that how we are supposed to take this idea further, and how we can implement it in the real world, and how we can take this thing about this thought that we have into industrialization. So that was very good.
So, do you have any final suggestion you can give us?
Final suggestion is keep conducting more events like this.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, so thank you.